Welcome to the Grain Discovery Bootcamp, where you will learn how to use your custom-built marketplace to simplify the way you buy and sell your grain. Today, we're talking about how to accept a bid. First, we're going to talk about how to do it on our website. To accept a grain buyer's bid, first make sure you're on the bid screen. Review the bid details, including commodity, class, delivery, destination, basis, and price. Select the bid you desire, and then the Sell Now button will turn green. You hit that button. A pop-up confirmation will appear where you will enter your selling volume and the location you're selling from. Click Sell to confirm. And not just like that, you've made your first contract. The app is a little different. To accept a grain buyer's bid, first you go to the Cash Bids page, either from the slider bar or on the bottom navigation bar. Bids are sorted by commodity. Select the commodity, delivery date, price, and the basis of your liking. Click on the bid, and if it's a live market, you enter the volume, farm origin, and then select Sell. The live bid will be valid for only 20 seconds, after which you'll need to refresh the price. And just like that, you've made another contract. You'll be able to view the contract in your contract section to view and e-sign. If the market is paused, you'll be prompted to create a target offer at the same price. Enter the volume, duration of offer, farm origin, and any other comments you want. You'll then be able to edit, delete this offer in the Targets Offer section on the slider or the bottom of the navigation bar. And just like that, you are accepting bids all over the place. So learn more about all the latest features on graindiscovery.com and check out all our other bootcamp videos. Thanks.